Hi, I'm Anna. Today we're going to be creating the look that we did at the ERDEM Spring-Summer 26 show. The look is inspired by the characters in the film Picnic at Hanging Rock. There's this really ethereal, very undone, free-spirited texture to the hair. The hero products that we'll be using to create the look are the Nymph Salt Spray to give this texture at the roots, followed by Glow Spray Serum for heat protection and to also help us create some piecey textures within this quite raw matte finish. And then we'll be finishing off the shape with a light mist of the Airy Texture Spray to really give it this free, loose, quite raw matte texture, but then Hand and Hair Light Cream for some pieces of definition within the look. So the key thing with this look is creating quite a small silhouette. We want it to feel like the hair has been to a party, it's walked through a forest, it's very small in its silhouette. It feels very lived in, very cool, very modern and quite ethereal. So we're using the Nymph Salt Spray to just give us that matte texture and spraying that through from the roots to the mid-lengths and ends. So I'm just massaging the product into the hair. This shape is all about really looking at each individual model client's hair and identifying where does it need product, where do you need to build the shape, and where do you need the support of either clips or different techniques like twisting the hair to just create some moments of movement without it looking too overstyled. Using these double-pronged silver clips, it's a really great technique for bringing texture, pushing texture and movement into the hair without getting too much volume. So putting them in vertically, you can see it's like kind of a bricklaying effect. We start at the top and we just position the clips not directly underneath the previous one. So again, using the hairdryer with the diffuser to dry this without creating too much volume. We have diffuse dried the product in and we'll now start taking out the clips, looking at the texture that we have and seeing if we need to push any further kinks into the hair using a hot tool. So we can see how the clips have just created these really beautiful moments in the hair where it looks very natural, and we've helped to retain this small silhouette. And the Nymph Salt Spray is the perfect product for creating this base. So now to work some little kinks and moments in the hair, we're going to use the Glow Spray Serum. This is very targeted, so we're taking sections and just spraying directly onto that one section and then using the heated tool to push in some abstract kinks. The Glow Spray Serum is amazing for heat protection, but also giving some shine to the hair. Even though this is a very matte, lived-in texture, we do want to have some pieces that feel defined and quite piecey. Holding the tong at a vertical angle and twisting the hair around it and literally only holding it there for about 3 seconds. So the final stage of this look is the finishing off. We're using the Airy Texture Spray and the Hand and Hair Light Cream to just finish off the shape, create some moments of fluffiness and airiness, but also some pieces within the look. This is our final look, inspired by the ERDEM Spring-Summer 26 show. Lived in, ethereal, airy, raw in its texture, using our amazing hero products. We hope you like the look. If you'd like to follow more content, please subscribe now.